this video, I want to give a brief information about Amrita Academic Excellent Awards for School Principals and Teachers. You know very well Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, a very famous university, one of the famous university in India. Amrita Deemed University offers Amrita Academic Excellent Awards for school teachers and principals. So, in this topic, I want to give you a brief information. First of all, one small request. Please subscribe this channel to get more videos about education and career guidance. My name is Shams. These are my qualifications. So let us start the video. Get a chance to be recognized as one of the best principals or teachers among thousands in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry region. This is the best offer for principals and teachers to apply for best teacher award or best principal award. Teachers who have already received state or national awards also will be honored separately. Next, Amrita Academic Excellent Award for School Principals and Teachers. Amrita School of Engineering, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Chennai take pride announcing the Amrita Academic Excellent Awards AAEA for Principals and Teachers of CBSE and also matriculation schools in Tamil Nadu every year to recognize and award the meritorious principals and teachers who have been the role models in the life of the students who are eligible. This is also one of the important topic for these awards. Who are the eligible person? Those who are working as principals and teachers in the state of Tamil Nadu and Union Territory Pondicherry also of both CBSE and matriculation schools who through their vision, commitment, dedication, compassion, perseverance and care have intensified the lives of the student community. These are the 6 zones, categorized 6 zones based on the vicinity of 38 districts of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. There are 3 rounds of scrutinizing of application. First one is district level, second one is zonal level and the third one is state level. So, what is the eligibility criteria? The eligibility is the candidate must have worked in same school for a minimum of 10 years. This is very important. They must have worked in the same school for a minimum of 10 years as a teacher or vice principal or principal. Whatever the designation, they must be worked in the same school for 10 years, minimum 10 years. Service is compulsory. Documents required: updated profile and photograph, and also attach all the certificates of recognitions received, certificates to be attested by the correspondent or the school head. What is the process? There are 4 steps. First step is submission of applications either through online or offline mode also. In step 2, scrutinizing of application. The step 3 is announcing of results for the district and zonal winners, and the final step, step 4 is felicitation of Amrita Academic Excellent Awards 2021 state winners. Important dates to be remembered by the persons. Zonal level meet for the winners. These are the important dates for online application. Click the below link. I will mention the link in the description. Please see the description. Don't forget to subscribe the video. So all of you, best of luck. Thank you very much.